Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to add bank account in Wise. It's a very easy tutorial, so let's get started. But before we go further, make sure to check out the link in the description for a quick and easy sign up for Wise. So once you log into your account, you will end up over here. And what you need to do, just click on the top right corner on this arrow and you will see the drop down menu. Here you can just click on settings. After that, in settings, you will find connected accounts on the first four menu options. Just click on this option. You will see something like this, and here you can find bank accounts. This is where you are going to add your account. Just click on connect your bank account. So once you are here, you will see that we have bank account locations, which are United States, United Kingdom, and Canada. We cannot add more than that, obviously. If you're living in the United States, just click on this option. It will take you right over here. We have two options over here, instant verification and verification. So you can just click on instant verification and they will ask you for some account number. And if you want to go for manual verification, if you click on this option, it will take you right over here, and here you can see that routing number and account number, even your account type and your nickname. So you can add those all over here, and at the top you will see that verification will take at least 3 to 5 days. So make sure you need to wait for a while, and after that just click on confirm. This is how you can easily add bank account on Wise. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.